In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix micro SD card not showing up in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, when a micro SD card refuses to show up in a Windows 11 Explorer, the issue is typically caused by a missing driver letter, outdated device drivers, or minor file system corruption. So what you want to do is force a driver letter reassignment. Press your Windows key and X to open up your settings and then go over to disk management, which is going to look something like this. Now look at the lower half of the window to find your removable drive layout block. And then what you want to go ahead and do is right click on the SD card partition and you're going to see change drive letter and paths. Go ahead and click on that. And then from here, all you want to do is right click on the SD card's partition block, click on it, then click add button or click change if it already has a conflicting one. So click change right here, and then you just want to literally just change the letter to something else. That's basically going to force Windows to recognize it. So then whenever you go over to your this PC section, you should see your SD card right here as whatever you put your letter as. Now, what you can also do is reinstall the card reader interface drivers. So right click the start menu and then go over to device manager. Now, what you want to do is scroll through the component tree list and expand the memory technology devices section. And then from there, if you don't see it, expand storage controllers or devices instead. So we're going to go to storage controllers and then right click your SD card hardware. Let's say it's this. And then we're going to press update driver, search automatically for VEST drivers. And then that's literally it. You should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.